To use the cards and rewards system, first of all, we need to make sure that our class has a card deck assigned to it. So if we go to classes and choose one of our classes here, and then go to edit at the top right, we can see that we've already got a sample card deck assigned to it. When you create a new teacher account on Guerdon, you will have this Guerdon sample card deck assigned to your class, but you can also change to another one or create a new card deck by going to the cards link on the left-hand menu and then clicking add deck on the right-hand side. For this video though, we're just going to use the default sample card deck. The next thing we need to do is make sure that each card set within the card deck has a reward assigned to it. So if we go to our rewards link at the top center of the class page, you'll see that each of the 4 sets in this card deck has no rewards set. So now we'll have to go to the rewards link on the left-hand menu and then click on the rewards tab on the right-hand side. You'll see at the moment we only have 3 rewards defined. So let's create a new reward by clicking add reward here. And we just need to put in a title and description. So let's go with room cleaning exemption. And the student is exempt from their next room cleaning duty. Okay, we click submit there. And now we'll see we have 4 rewards ready to assign to the card deck. So we'll go back to the class. And then click again on the rewards tab at the top center. And once it loads, we'll be able to start adding the rewards. So we can click the drop down here. Let's go with homework pass for this one. And then the next one we'll set to 1 credit point. The next we'll go with choice of seating. And the last card set will be the room cleaning exemption. So now each of the 4 sets in our card deck has a reward assigned to it. In order for the students to receive cards from the card deck, the teacher will need to go to the points page, which is linked at the top left-hand side of the class page. Here the teacher will be presented with a list of all the active students in the class and their current scores. To add a point and also a card to a student, just click on the green button, which is on the right-hand side of each student's score. We can also click the orange button here to take away a point from the student. However, the main purpose of the scoreboard is positive behavior support, but the minus points are there if they are needed. Now that we've added some points to 2 of the students in this class, David Cannon and Leila Carpenter, we'll log out and take a look at the cards they have received from these points. So let's start with Leila Carpenter first. We'll go to the classes tab and then click on the class. And from the class page, we click the top left link on this page, My Cards. And here we can see a list of all the cards they have received so far. If a student doesn't have the exact cards they want to complete a set and claim a reward, they can put any of their cards up for trading with other students within the class. So this student here, Leila Carpenter, she currently has quite a few doubles of the cards, so let's offer these for trade. We'll click on the card and then click the Offer for Trading button on the right-hand side. So now this card has been marked for trade. And let's also do it with the double of Neuromancer 2. So we now have 2 cards up for trade. So let's log out, then go to another student. We'll go with David Cannon. And now if we go to the class, we can click the Trade Cards link at the top right-hand side of the class page. So those two cards offered by Layla Carpenter, Neuromancer and The Road, are now available for trading. To trade a card, we'll just click on one of them. Then the student needs to select one of their cards to trade for it. So we have quite a lot of Fahrenheit 451 cards. Let's click on one of these. Then click the Submit button. And now the trade is complete. We now have the Neuromancer card in David Cannon's account. So if we go back to View Class and then click the My Cards link, we'll see the Neuromancer card, which we didn't have before, is now in the list of our cards. Each card deck also has a set of 3 special cards. As we can see here, the first one is Draw 2, where 2 cards are randomly drawn from the deck. Duplicate, which allows a student to copy any of the cards they already have, except the special cards. And Wildcard, which can be used as a substitute for any other card to complete a set if the student only has 2 of the cards. So let's try Draw 2 first. We'll click here and then click the Use Card button on the right hand side. Then we'll confirm. And we have 2 new cards allocated. So we've got the Drowned World and another Fahrenheit 451. Now, if we want to duplicate an existing card, we'll go to the duplicate card, click on it, then again click the Use Card button, and then we choose which card we want to duplicate. So we only have one of the Running Man, so let's duplicate that. And now we have 2 of them. The last one, Wildcard, if we go back to the View Class, and then we go to Rewards, the link on the right-hand side of the class page, click this, then we'll see the list of the rewards available for this class. So as we see here, set 2, we only have 2 of the cards in our possession, but we can use a wild card to complete the set and claim this reward. So let's do that now. The set 2 reward is 1 credit point. So we click the reward link there. And now we get a confirmation page just to make sure that if we claim this reward, these 3 cards will be removed from our collection permanently. So let's confirm. So we've claimed the reward. And now if we go back to My Cards, you see we have 3 less cards than we did before because they're marked as reward. So we can't offer these for trade or use them any other way until that reward claim is completed. When a student claims a reward, the teacher will be notified in their message feed with a message here like this, saying David Cannon from English 8A has claimed the reward 1 credit point. So now we can verify this by going to the link here, View Reward Claims, or we can click the Rewards link on the left-hand menu. And this will give us a list of the outstanding claims. So whatever the reward is, the teacher will need to give that reward and then verify that they've given the reward by clicking the link here and then click the Redeem button on the left-hand side. By doing this, it will remove the outstanding claim from the list.